Hello, welcome to Easy Crack. Look at this problem. This circuit consists of two voltage sources, 20 sin 2t, this is AC source, and 10 volt, this is DC source. And the circuit element is 1 ohm resistance, 2 Henry inductance, half Henry the inductance, 1 by 4 Faraday the capacitance, and 2 ohm resistance. So in any AC circuits, when it is consist of AC/DC sources or multiple frequency sources connected, we have to use superposition. So here we have to also use superposition. The frequency is this voltage source frequency is 20 sin 2t, so frequency is omega equal to 2 radian per second. According to superposition theorem, this 10 volt sources, the voltage source will be short. So this is the circuit by 10 volt source short. The value of reactance x1, the frequency 2 radian per second, will be the omega L. So omega is 2 and L, this L value is 2 Henry. So this is 4 ohm, and value of x2, so this is 4 ohm, and this is 2 ohm, and the value of x2 omega L is equal to half into 2 is equal to 1 ohm, and this is 1 by omega C is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 ohm. Okay, so this is IS, this is I, and this is IL. So the value of IS is VS by Z equivalent. Let's find the value of Z equivalent. Z equivalent is 1 plus J4. This is 1. This value is 1 ohm. This value is 1 ohm. 1 plus J4 minus J2. This is in series. This value is J2, 2 ohm. This value is J2. This 1 ohm resistance, and this is this 1 ohm inductance, and this 2 ohm resistance are in parallel. So the value is J into 2 by 2 plus J. So by current division rule, I is equal to IS 2 by 2 plus I. Opposite load by total load. Opposite by total. Opposite 2 ohm by 2 plus J. So the value of IS is VS by Z equivalent 2 by 2 plus J. So substitute the value of VS is equal to 20 sin 2t, and the value of Z equal, we find this. So substituting these values and calculating, you will find 5.71 minus 90 degree ampere by superposition theorem. Next we have to consider this 10 volt source, and this source will be short. So the equivalent circuit is this source is short, and resistance, inductance will short, and this inductance will short, and there is a capacitor will open circuit. In DC source we already know that 10 volt, and this is 2 ohm. So value of I2, this is I1, this is I2. Value of I2 is 10 by 2. 10 volt by 2 is equal to 5 ampere. So by superposition theorem, I is equal to I1 plus I2, 5 plus 5.71 sin 2t minus 90 phase shift. This is answer. Look at the next problem. Determine Thevenin equivalent voltage across load terminal. This load terminal. So this is A and B, AB load terminal. To find Thevenin equivalent voltage by Thevenin's theorem, we have to first open this terminal. Let's find the voltage. By opening this terminal, the value of I will 0. I equal to 0. So this is 40I. So 40I will be 0. So this will be open short circuited. So the value of this is V2. So and this is 10 V2, and this is 3 ohm, and this is J4. So value V2 is, by potential divider rule, the value V2 is 100. This is 53.12. So 153.12 angle into J4 by this J4 reactance, and 3 plus J4 resistance plus total reactance, total react. So by calculating this 53.12 into J4, total impedance, this is total impedance by this 53.12 by calculating this 90 volt. This is 10 V2. So we have calculated this V2, and this is 10 V2. 10 V2 is, so terminal V is equal to 10 V2. So 890 angle voltage. So this voltage is voltage across this AB terminal, VAB. So this is the answer. Because this is a open terminal, so this 10 V2 voltage is equal to VAB. So this is answer. That's all. And in the next video we will solve more problems.